So this is the Hyundai Elantra N-Line. We've tested the base model, which is right there, and on paper at least, this has quite the difference. So hindi lang siya spicy body kit sa Elantra. So key difference dito, the rear suspension is different from the base model. So the base model has torsion beam setup. So yun Scion GL. Pero the hybrid and this have a multi-link setup, which should translate to a better ride quality and potentially better handling out there. So that's what we're here to find out.
The Falcon Zenith RT660 is the enthusiast.
Alright, let's go. Okay. Another thing we should test dito compared dun sa GL, DCT to eh.
Oo, malalaman.
So malaman natin on low speed if it's jerky or ano. So far, parang okay naman. Oh, may ano ba to? Yung 360 camera? Or wala? Ano lang? Reverse lang?
Reverse lang po siya meron po.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So sa yung gearbox niya, considering this is a DCT, then hindi jerky, no? On low speeds, ano, just feels like a regular automatic. Also the steering, hinighlight ko na to dun sa base model when I tested it a month ago. Ang ganda ng weight, magaan siya but not too light.
Kamusta naman yung feedback? Pero okay naman.
On low speed, you're not really looking for feedback per se, pero the weight is there. Ramdam mo na may where the wheel is. So saan tayo? So while we're waiting, might as well switch the drive mode. So it's not like the usual na nakikita mo na nandito yung drive mode sa mga sasakyan or in the wheel. Unusually nandito siya. You press here, and so normal, then you get eco kung tagtipid, sport, and then smart is like the auto version, no? So the car decides kung ano mo gusto mong gawin. So for this one, let's try sport. Hindi man siya adaptive suspension, but this controls throttle mapping and also yung engine. I guess yung transmission din siguro. Tingnan natin if it becomes a lot sharper. Alright, this is us now. So lagyan natin sa sport, then manual mode. Alright, ready? Sige, let's see. Yep. It's fun. And yung suspension niya, it didn't sacrifice ride quality. Papasok ba natin doon or we can reverse naman?
Reverse na lang siya.
Sige.
Ay, pasok po.
Gives us a good reason to test the camera. It's clear, ha? And then with guidelines, I might add. Tapos yung camera also has multiple views. So tingnan natin. So yan, kung malapit na siya, pwede mo i-switch sa ganyan, sa gutter. Or kung kailangan mo yung wide field of view, ayun. Returning back to drive. Yeah, the throttle feels way sharper. Yep, this is fun. Absolutely fun. Unfortunately, hindi pa siya pwede labas sa public roads kasi it's way too new, wala pang plaka. So for now, quick test drive lang around the autocross course yung kaya natin gawin. But so far, this car, yeah, it deserves that N badge kahit na N line lang siya. And I'd say it, unless Honda makes like a Civic manual available dito sa atin, this is the closest we can get to a modern day Civic SIR. So hopefully may pantapat sana dito yung Honda na direct talaga. It's also fun to drive. And granted, the Civic Turbo has meron naman ditong Civic Turbo, but it's a CVT. It can't be as fun as this. No. Yeah, I like this.
May DSG Forts pa nga eh. Nakita ko kanina eh.
Oo nga, I've noticed.
Oh.
So it's like a Volkswagen in some
Volkswagen
aspects. It just adds to the fun factor.
Naiimitik mo yung DSG.
Yeah. So yeah, this is nice. Kuya, patayin ko na.
Siya.
Yes sir.